my dear girls.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
Yeah, we are good. We are good.
So, shall we continue today's our quiz series on social studies, class 10th, paper 2?
Yes. Let's start. We are all set.
Okay. You know the guidelines, right? You
Yes.
have 15 questions, each carries 2 marks. If you press the buzzer before or for every wrong answer, you will be losing 1 mark. So, you have minus marks also for this quiz, right?
Yes.
And what is next? Yeah, you should press the buzzer after completion of my full question with the 4 options. Alright, okay?
Okay.
Alright, then shall we start?
Yes. Let's get started.
Yes. First question, but I am not going to give you options for this. You have to tell. In draft constitution, how many articles and schedules were mentioned?
Yes, there are 395 articles and 8 schedules.
Yes, 395 articles and 8 schedules are mentioned in our draft constitution. Good. How many members were elected to the Constituent Assembly from princely states? Here are the options: 73, 85, 93, 103.
93 members were elected.
Yes, 93
For
members were
Constitution.
elected from princely states. In Nepal country, listen carefully, in Nepal country, first elections were held in which year? 1950, 1952, 1958, 1959.
1959.
1959. Who pressed the buzzer?
Sahasra.
Okay. Here, for this question, I am not going to give you any options because
Okay.
that's also very important. When did Pakistan get independence?
Yes, it's 1947, August 14.
1947.
August 14.
Okay. Now, whose statement is this? If I am to die by a bullet of a madman, I must do so smiling. God must be in my heart and on my lips. And if anything happens, you are not to shed a single tear. Okay, this statement by Subhash Chandra Bose, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Mahatma Gandhi.
Good. This statement, these are the words by Mahatma Gandhi during a prayer meeting, 2 days prayer to his death. He said these words. And the next one, when did Royal Indian Army went on hunger strike? Options are 1945, 1946, 1948, 1950.
1946.
1946. Good. Straight question, no options.
Yeah.
What is the period of First World War?
It's 1914 to 18. 1914 to 1918.
1914 to 1918. Girls, do you know the 3 principles of Sun Yat-sen?
Yes. Yes.
With meaning also I want. Explain Sun Yat-sen 3 principles.
Sun Min Chui. Sun stands for nationalism, and Min stands
Sun
for
Min Chui, and yeah, Min stands for democracy, and
Chui stands for socialism.
What is this? Both are saying. Again, one girl. Come on, tell me. What
Sun
are
Min Chui. Sun stands for nationalism, Min stands for democracy, and Chui stands for socialism.
good? Sun Yat-sen's 3 principles are Sun, Min, Chui. Sun means nationalism, Min is democracy, Chui means socialism. Very good, Sahasra. The next one, the immediate cause for Second World War. These are the options: Hitler attack on Poland, nationalism, and assassination of Ferdinand.
yes,
Hitler attack on Poland.
Yes, Hitler attack on Poland is the immediate cause for Second World War. Good. Hiroshima and Nagasaki, these cities were destroyed, right?
yes,
But these 2 cities are located in which country? I want country name. Options are USA, Germany, Russia, Japan.
Japan.
Good. Hiroshima and Nagasaki cities are located in Japan. Enabling Act was passed in which year? 1933, 1934, 1935, 1936.
1933.
Yes, 1933, March 24 is the exact date that Enabling Act was passed. And the next one, on March 8th, 1917, around 10,000 women of the capital St. Petersburg took out a procession. In that procession, what they demanded exactly for?
Peace and bread.
Good, very good. Peace and for, they demanded for peace and bread in that hunger strike. So the next one, the first Russian Revolution of 1917 was also called as French Revolution, Green Revolution, the March Revolution, Yellow Revolution.
The March Revolution.
Yes, the March Revolution. Expanded form of USSR? Come on, tell me.
Union Soviet Socialist Republic.
Who pressed the buzzer?
Laksha.
Okay. Our quiz questions are completed and announcing of winner. Who is the winner? Today's winner?
Sahasra.
Wow, congratulations, Sahasra.